Hey my people, it's Denise here. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to prepare sausages. So first and foremost, we're going to put oil in the frying pan, and we're going to leave it to get ready. So afterwards, I had already unwrapped my sausages, and immediately we are going to put them in the oil. As you can see, they're already in the oil, so we are going to give them some time so that they can get ready. What I forgot to tell you, they were meat sausages. I bought meat sausages at, well, I think 8,000 Uganda shillings. So after I put them in the oil, please keep turning them so that all the parts can get ready, so that you don't eat half-cooked sausages. So when they begin to turn into another color, it's a sign that they are getting ready. So when they turn to golden brown, it's a good sign that they're getting ready. Yeah. So after frying the sausages, we are going to roast them. Why we roast them after frying them? It gives them another aroma, a sweet aroma, because in the charcoal I put in some powdered rosemary and or you can put in powdered cinnamon. That can give them an aroma, and there is also some logic sweetness within roasting those sausages after frying them. So you can try it out, and I believe that you won't regret why you have roasted them after frying the sausages. So yeah, as you can see, it gives them that color. I have no way to explain it, but you can see. Yes. So thanks for watching. That's all I had for you today. Thanks for watching my channel. Thanks for supporting me. Thanks for commenting. Thanks for liking. Please subscribe, like, comment, share, and click on the notification bell so that you could be notified every time I upload a new video. Okay, God bless you. See you in my next video.